Do I have everything? You, obviously. Boom. I love this thing. Can't wait for my Amazon orders to come. Siggy! I see you. Mom! Do you have my phone? Where are you? Do you have my phone? Oh. Santiago. That's windy. Hey Toby, we're coming along. I wish you luck, Toby. You're gonna need it. You're one of us now. What? No. I don't even know where it is. Oh. Oh, I forgot something. Camera? No, my camera charger. Will they have plugs in there? Will they have plugs in there?
I don't know.
What?
No, I'll let him walk.
Oh, baby.
Let him try to go to the bathroom before we get in the car.
Doobie doobie dooba. Oh yeah. Charger, ow. What is this? Why am I have to step on this, I'm sorry. Mom, why is everything on my floor?
I'll move it.
Like the cooler, Lily's shoes.
Oh, is the dog gonna stay back here with you?
Yeah?
Here?
Lily, put it on the floor.
He's not gonna sleep on the floor.
I'm putting this back here.
With all the pillows so I can have nowhere to put my feet?
No, I'm putting this back here right now.
No, you're not.
Mom! Where do I put the cooler?
I'll put it there.
Can you do it right now?
Yeah, in a minute.
Oh,
Don't dump it.
I'm sorry. I was trying to put it there.
Okay, so what's going on here?
Can Toby stay on the phone with you for a little bit?
Well, I wanted the dog bed on the floor where it was.
Where he can...
He won't pee in it. We need the salsa and dip. Yeah.
What do you mean, salsa?
My Fiesta Bean dip. It's Cinco de Mayo.
You mean actual salsa?
My dip in the thing.
Here's Toby's little area.
Just bring, we need some napkins. Napkins?
Toby, we haven't even left yet, and you're doing this.
Here's Toby's little
Toby?
side. Okay, Toby,
Okay.
Poppy.
Okay. Well, once you get Toby back there with you, or is he gonna come in?
He can go later.
Okay.
Make sure he gets plenty of air.
Oh, baby. He's so cute.
Everybody got drinks? You go in the bathroom?
Let me go get my...
I went in the shower.
Okay.
What?
I need your socks.
And you don't pee in the shower?
Okay, he's fine, right?
Who doesn't pee in the shower? You have no clue what I just said, didn't you? I bet you aren't even listening. Classic Lee. Am I right? Come on! It's gonna get dark when we get there.
Yeah, it's gonna be dark when we get there.
No dip, Lily.
You just said that, so... This is not gonna fit in my back. In the back.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
Try
I
it.
have 20 pillows right
No,
here.
I mean in that back.
not want this blanket. It's not mine.
Here, can I turn on this light? There we go. Oh, look at Toby. Oh, cute and wrapped up. Where are we?
We are almost on I-10.
I have no clue where that is. Is that near?
Get near Jacksonville.
Ooh, Jacksonville. Do you hear that, Morty? Oh wait, you're asleep. So he's pooped about 2 times. One on a poop mat and one not.
Yeah.
Dad freaked out. Both times, actually.
No, he was a little better with the second one.
No, he's still freaked out.
Because it was on the... No, he was happy it was on the mat.
They smelled bad.
What?
They smelled bad.
Oh, that was bad smell.
You like that, Toby? Yes?
Don't wake Morty up.
I'm not. Does that get you all excited? I'm sorry, Toby. So we're almost near Jacksonville. Lily's still asleep. Yeah. Dad's asleep. So, good night, Tobes. Yep. Ow, 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 ow. Is there mosquitoes out here?
No. It's too cold.
I'm being like, itching. Because you don't want to go inside the cabin yet.
Why?
Because you don't want to go inside there. Obviously. I told you there's bugs. Toby.
What do you think?
I'm tired.
I don't know. That's very little. Alright. Here.
Let me get off. I was staying on the bed and you were like making the bed while I'm on there.
Go get more shit out. I'll do this. Pillows. We need pillows. Where's Toby?
Toby.
You're sleeping up there.
I'm sleeping right there.
Well, where am I sleeping? You can't have this whole bed.
I don't want the
By
whole
yourself.
bed.
Seriously?
Toby. I'm not itchy.
Sorry.
What are they? What are they?
What?
What are they? Bugs?
No,
Dude, I heard you say there was bugs. You can't lie this time.
those aren't mosquitoes.
But then what bugs are
They're
they?
just like flies. Moths.
Liar.